Oke, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to English interview as a final exam at IDN Boarding School, exactly in 9th grade. So before we go to the questions one by one about it, so I'm asking your condition first. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good today.
Okay, have you had lunch today?
Yes, of course. Before Zuhur, I ate my lunch.
Okay. How does it taste?
Pretty good. The food is chicken and with vegetable and rice.
Okay, you like vegetable a lot?
Not too much.
Not too much, yes. Because there are some people here they dislike the vegetable at all, right?
Yes.
Okay, we go through the first questions about introduction. Yeah. So please tell about yourself briefly.
Okay. My name is Atar Rizky Nawila. Usually everyone call me Atar, and now I'm on 9D, and I'm from South Jakarta, especially in around of Cipete. And my house is closer with MRT, so if I'm using MRT, it's more easy.
Oh, that's so close with MRT station.
Yes.
All right. So it's easier, yeah, to go
Yeah.
somewhere by
Easier.
using MRT. All right. So how can I call you?
You can call me Atar.
Atar. All right. How old are you, Atar?
I'm 14 years old.
14 years old. All right. So the second question is about skill in IT. Before coming to IDN, can you tell me about it?
Skill about IT before I came to Eden. Maybe at the fourth grade, I'm curious about the IT subject, and I'm often learn about like at the first I learn about game. In the first I making game with Unity, but Unity is more like more advanced for advanced people, and that's hard.
Yes.
And after that I have been learn a little bit about like cyber security, and that's fun until now. But for in the ninth grade I'm not focused at there. Now I'm on learn about like coding and computer science, because because it will be fit with my future.
All right. Okay. So before coming to IDN, you have learned about that Unity.
Yes.
All right. So have you created a game using Unity before?
Just like simple game, RPG game.
Oh, right. Okay, I see. Well, we go to the next question about ability again. Yeah. What is your ability during learning at IDN, such as IT, English, and Dinia? Maybe exactly in English and Dinia.
Hmm. See. Um, Maybe in English,
Yeah.
I have to learn about a lot of things, like I memorizing vocabulary and conversation, and learn about uh, grammar. And I think grammar is one of the part of English that I still confused until now. And in Dinia, there's a lot of part like fikih, akidah, and hadis and sirah, about story of Rasulullah and his companion. But so far, in now I like to learn about sirah, because it's more comfortable to learn. Like I feel comfortable if I learn sirah, and the story was great.
Oh, so you like history?
Yes.
Okay, that's Islamic history or general history actually?
That's Islamic history.
Islamic history. What about general story? Maybe like a war.
Oh yeah, yes. I like to like Indonesian history or war. forward,
Mhm.
forward, and that's interesting. Very
That's
interesting.
interesting, yeah, about
Yes.
history, yeah, all about history, right? Okay, we jump to the next question. It's about creating games. Yeah. So, what kind of game have you created? Can you tell me a bit about it?
I have make some game like when I'm 7th grade. I have to make like catching fruit. Um, the game is made it from scratch, and scratch is easy to make. Like you just put the block, and I think scratch is will be useful to improve your logic. Yeah, so I have to make like catching fruit at the first when I came to Eden. Catching fruit is like game, and we have a ball. The character is ball, and we must have to take the apple from the air. If you miss the apple, you will be getting minus score.
Okay, so it's like apple falls down,
Yeah,
and then you have to
yes.
catch it, right?
Ah.
Okay.
And then I have to make uh, one of my game that is bomber cat. That's like a cat put the bomb, and there is like a crab that follow the our character that is cat. And if the crab touch the bomb, we will be win. But when we touch the bomb, we're gonna be lose. And after that, I have to create game like Pac-Man, remake Pac-Man, and the mechanic of the game is same like in the original Pac-Man. But the difference is maybe in design. You can design whatever you want, and it's made from scratch. It's made from scratch.
Okay. So, what about in Buildbox game?
Oh,
Can you tell me maybe one game, the best game that you ever created using Buildbox?
I have to create like one of my game that is maybe crossing road. So we must have to crossing with the block, and we cannot fall down. If we fall down, we're gonna be lose. And there is like a checkpoint. If we can, I think maybe there is checkpoint or no. If we can until the last of block, we can be winner. And maybe in 7th grade, and maybe in the 7th grade, there is a lot of game that I make. One of them is especially in Buildbox, that is jumping cube. You must avoid from the uh, avoid from like stuff that we cannot touch, or that
So that's the obstacles. The obstacles.
yeah, obstacle.
Obstacles. Yeah. Okay. So talking about website, what is the best website that you have created? Maybe only one website that you can mention. The best one. Until now, you always develop it. What is that?
I think it's my personal website.
What's that?
That's about talk about me, about myself, about my project, about my achievement, my documentation, and uh, when I have done my project in IDN, I should put my project into my personal website, because the name is personal website, so that's why this website only my project and about myself.
What kind of projects inside of your personal website?
There is 3 types like IT, Dinia, and English. In IT, I have put like a game, website, and an application design, which is like poster and Instagram post,
Mhm.
like that, and Kodular, and in Indinia, usually I make like mind mapping or poster, like poster hadis or other subject in Dinia. And in Dinia too, I create the video that I tell the story about Sirah or like companion Rasulullah. In that page, I have to put my video that tell about story when Rasulullah migrate to Madinah, and some of companion Rasulullah companion, and maybe some of like editing video diniyah. And in the English, maybe there is just a lot of video, like we making the short movie and conversation out there, and like we making tutorial video in like in IT subject. We tell to the viewer about how to make this game with English.
Okay. So we jump to the next question. It's about your experience, yeah, becoming a trainer. Do you ever become a trainer, and where?
Yes, I have become a trainer. Maybe 4 time, I forget. And I became a trainer when I'm join IDN teaching. That's like yeah, that's like we teaching in other school. For example, like I have to teach in Al Ansor. I'm teaching 7th grade about game. Uh, I teach him about like how to use Scratch, making game in Scratch, and hopefully they can understand. How they can understand and um, know a little bit about Scratch, and they are can making their own game. And he already know about the logic of Scratch. And I have to teach A grade too in Alansor. Yes, Alansor. When I'm at A grade, when I'm teach A grade, I teach about Figma, how to make post, Instagram post, making Instagram post. And Instagram post is very useful for your media social, so you can put like your own quotes or your idea out there. And the last test that I teach is I'm teaching in like boarding school. Name is Kurota Ayun. I teach about Figma, and there the owner asked me to make a website with my friend, and I created with WordPress the website. And still now it's still active maybe, but I think the owner doesn't put the page or post in the website.
Okay. So that's a great experience, yeah. Okay, so where do you wanna continue your study?
Maybe I still continue to IDN because I feel comfortable with the subject, especially IT subject and English and Dinia too. And I will pick the software development major, and I will maybe learn about Android, mobile development, and Flutter and development in iOS about application, and then I will learn about website with more advanced, more better. Like I'm gonna learn about coding, HTML, CSS, and anything. And so that's I know at senior high school,
Vocational at IDN.
vocational high school.
Alright, two more questions, Atar. Okay, what is your future and why?
My future is I have a lot of I have more one ambition, like sometimes I wanna be inventor or maybe
Investor,
inventor,
inventor.
yes, and maybe I wanna be like startup owner, or maybe just like to be a normal job in IT or manager like that. But for now I am still learn about IT, and I will keep to learn, and I hope when I can mastery at this subject, I hope it's gonna be useful for other people, and I can have a good salary and get a good life.
The last one of the question. Any word for IDN?
What?
Any word for IDN?
Yes. In the end, great.
Okay. Thank you very much, Anton Nabila. Yeah, finally we have passed all the questions of interview. Exactly in final exam. After this, you have to present the all projects. Yeah, start from 7th, 8th grade, and 9th grade. And also you can choose the country that you want to visit in the future. Yeah, congratulations, and I hope all the dreams will come true. Yeah, that's for the people who always study hard and work hard. Okay, thank you very much. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, teman. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, today I will show you my portfolio presentation. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Antaris Kinawila, but mostly people call me Atar, and I'm from South Jakarta. Okay. Today I will show you the table of content. The first that I'm going to show you, the first is my game, WordPress website, and the third is graphic design, 3D design, and Android application. Okay. The first is the game that I create. It's from scratch. It's to the game that is catching fruit. The catching fruit is the mechanic is the ball that must have to the ball, and there is a fruit fall from the cloud to the ground, and the ball must have to touch the fruit. And to use this game, you must have to press left and right arrow key in your keyboard. And the next game that is Pac-Man game. It's same. I make this game in Scratch, and this is remake from Pac-Man, but it's different. Like the design and the score is more. It's more better than normal Pac-Man. Then the mechanic of this game is same like catching fruit. You just have to press the wrong key on your keyboard, and then if you get the score, like in here, this is the score. If you hit one score, you will get one score. And but if you accidentally touch the ghost, you will get lose or your character will die. And the next is my 3D game, that is Switching Ball. I make this game on Box, and this is the preview. This game is easy to make. Like Box is only just drag and drop using string, and easy to create this. And the mechanic is using a row key, so you must have to avoid the ocean movement. If you uh, get laid down by the ocean, you will get loose, and there is some obstacle that you must have to avoid. Like there is a bomb and other things. And in this game, you will get score if you can get the score without any problem. Okay. And the second of my 3D game, that is Crossing Road. I make this when I'm 8th grade. It's same. It's using the box, and you must have to jump in the box by box. But if you miss the box, maybe you will get loose. And then when you successfully jump the box, you will get the score by score. If you already jump into the box, one box, you will get one score, and same like in the second and third box. Okay, and the next is my personal website. I create this personal website using WordPress, and it's easy to make. WordPress is it's tools that you can make like blog or website without coding. You just drag and drop and put the image on your WordPress using Elementor, and WordPress, it's very easy to use it. In my personal website, there is my personal project, my portfolio, and my achievement that I have to get. And the next is some website that I create in WordPress. Then I have 3 example. That is my school website, mass website, and underschool website. The third is that website. I create this on WordPress, and yes, I think WordPress is very meaningful for me, because WordPress has helped me to create a good website with high quality website. But however, the traditional website like using HTML or CSS, it's more better than this WordPress, because the traditional website is more like interactive more than WordPress. Okay. When I'm a grade, I make the design that is my design project. It is cloud design. Yeah, this is a mock-up. First, you must have to make a design from Figma. I create this from Figma, and Figma is tool that based on website and can create anything like brand design, cloud design, or logo, or you can make useful infographic in Figma, and maybe it's easy to use for people that was curious about the design. The time that I use it in this cloth design, that is about talk about the Prophet Noah, Prophet Noah and his ark. I make this logo from paint tool, and there is some description about the Noah ark. Okay, and the next is creative Instagram post. I think this one was useful tools in Figma. That is Instagram post. It can fulfill my Instagram and make creative Instagram post. And in this Instagram post, I can uh, give my opinion or about my opinion or thoughts into your Instagram, and you can mix it into your design, and it's very easy to use. And the next is my 3D design project. That is, I make design website, but 3D. The time that I'm using is SpaceX website. I make this 3D rocket and the this Saturnus, I think, from Spline, and I mix it with Figma, and the result is like this. Pretty cool website. And another my design project in 3D, that is, I make this rocket from Tinkercad. There is Tinkercad too. That's a website that you can make 3D into the real 3D, or you just have to using stuff like 3D printer. And this is I'm making tutorial mini room made from spline, and this is isometric 3D city. This is same made from spline, and that's easy to use. And the next is my UI UX design. I create this with my team, like Atala, Zaki, and Nayapa. The time that I'm using that is Flash or PlanShop. PlanShop is like online store that's plan to it more better than other online shop. There is a prototype in here, this Figma, and this is the description or overview in my UI UX. And the next is robot line following. This is my project, my first robotic project that I create in 8th grade. It's so the first step that I must have to make this robot, that is, I must have to have microbit. After that, the microbit, I put some code into the chip of microbit. After that, application on this robot from Boom Robot. And after that, the robot will following the line that you have to create. Like in your code, you put the color is red. Yeah. The robot will following the red line. But I prefer to choose black line. And the next is disaster alarm. Same like in previous, I create this using microbit, and I code the microbit chip into this in BBC microbit. And in Microbit it's very easy to use because you just only drag and drop and like stretch, and it's very useful for like uh, for like children, uh, like if you have brother like 6 years old, you can teach him about Microbit because it's very interesting for a child. Okay, disaster alarm. I'm using uh, like fire and air sensor into this Microbit, and if there is a flame or fire in front of the sensor, it will be get notification like it's up to the code. If you put the notification with this like sound, it will be sound if there is flame, and it's very useful for your house. If there is a problem for in your kitchen, it will be give the notification. Okay, and next is IoT project. That is weather station. Weather station, it's like um, tools that I create to analyzing the humidity and temperature, and then the like this if there is like the temperature is maybe 100 Fahrenheit, it will be sent into the Blink. This is a dashboard for Blink. There is like temperature and humidity, it will be get show to you. And then to create the weather station, you just need like ESP32 and humidity and temperature sensor, and to make the code I'm using KBID, and when I'm ninth grade, I create the application that is from Codular. Codular, it's same like in the previous, it's easy to use because the user interface is friendly for a beginner, and then talk to me, it's I think one of my best project because it's very useful for people that have a problem with his speaking, like people that cannot speak can interact with people can hear. So you just type the inputs, the input, and you can type like hello, and then you press the speak button, and people that can hear can know what you want to tell, or what do you mean, what do you mean. And the next is Morotal app. Yes, this is the last of my slide, that is Morotal app. I tried this in Codular, and it's very useful for people that want to hear Morotal or Al-Quran recite in anywhere and anytime. There is a Lotion the tool's name is Lotion to make the graphic for the sound, and then I using Chef Mishari Rashid for the sound, and his sound very good, so I decided to use him voice. And to make the input of sound, you just put the MP3 website, and then you put in the code, and if you press this play button, you will you can hear this Al-Fatihah. Okay, maybe just that all. Oh yeah. Anyone wanna maybe ask question? Okay, guys. Any question from Mr. Rizky?
Okay, so I have the questions. So can you go to the previous slides, please? Okay. So actually, how many applications that you have created using Codular app?
I have a lot of application that I create in Codular, maybe around
5.
yes 5 application, and one of the best I think this is app.
Oh, this app. Okay. So actually, how many days did you create this application?
I think maybe around 2 or 3 days to make this.
Okay. So is it easier to make as the beginner or not?
Yes, it's one most of easy for beginner and it's very easy.
Okay. So except making applications, because you have been here for almost 3 years, yeah. So actually, what makes you interested in IT? All the projects, game, design, and also making application.
I think uh, design and application it's make more interest because it's relatable from myself and my passion is that design and application.
Oh,
It's my passion.
so that's become your passion. Okay, thank you very much. So you can go to the end of the slide and close it.
Maybe just that all from me, guys. Thank you for listening and watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this occasion, I will tell you about my presentation. That is my favorite country. That is Thailand. Okay, the fact about Thailand that is Thailand is in the Southeast Asia and the part of ASEAN. So Thailand is work with Southeast Asia like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore in the inside of the part of ASEAN. And Thailand, the football of Thailand, it's very good. Like Thailand has already beat Indonesia in AFF with good performance. And the next is the capital city of Thailand, that is Bangkok. Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand and is the part of ASEAN too. So when the president of ASEAN want to be a meeting maybe in Thailand, so the meeting is in Bangkok city. And the third is Thailand is never get colonized by other country, so it's different like Indonesia. Indonesia have been colonized like with Japan, Dutch, and England, and it's same like Malaysia. Malaysia get colonized by England, but Thailand is never get colonized. And the land of the Thailand is same size like French, and then Thailand is has a predicate that is warm country because the civilization is very warm for to the tourists and it's very good. And the next slide is the best place to visit in Thailand. Thailand is the most number one place that every tourist must visit. That is BTS Train Way. So it's like train, but in the upside of ground, same as like MRT in Indonesia. And then the second is a big Buddhist temple. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot to put the picture. It's like the big um, Buddhist temple on Leidong. Yeah. Because the reason why a lot of temple in Thailand is because the one almost 90% of Thailand religion is Buddhist. So that's why in Thailand there's a lot of temple. And the next is the unique fact about Thailand. Thailand have a unique facial, like the name is Tuk Tuk. It's not only on Thailand, but it's there is in like India, and Indonesia that I know. The Indonesia is the name is Bajai in Indonesia. That's look similar. And in Thailand, we can ride the elephant. So you can walking around with elephant, and you can in the upside of the elephant. So it will be a very good experience when you visit in Thailand. And the next is most the food in Thailand that I have to try. I think it's one. I think it's the food is most people know, especially in Indonesia. That is tom yum. The tom yum is like soup with the seafood, and the taste is very good. It's like salt and sour, and there is some spice and spicy. Then there is like a tofu or fish roll, and the taste is very good. And I will try it again the tom yum. And this is a Thai tea. It's very famous in my city. There is a lot of Thai tea store that you can buy, and the taste is very authentic, and the Thai tea is very delicious, very nice. Then it's like in Indonesia, you just put like a powder tea and the condensed milk to make a Thai tea, and it's very easy to make if you in your home. Yeah, maybe just that all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.